Hey guys, are you looking for next generation iPhone SE? Yes, the iPhone SE 4 are coming very soon. Apple next iPhone SE will be like have a new design, new upgrade processor and also new camera sensor and other changes. Rumors suggest iPhone SE 4 design like iPhone XR or iPhone 14 with a 6.1-inch 60Hz OLED display and a notch on the top. So the iPhone SE will be support Face ID. The iPhone SE 4 is also likely to get a USB Type-C port like new iPhones. And the iPhone SE comes with the Apple A16 chipset with 6GB of RAM and up to 256GB storage and also support 5G network. Rumors also report that a 48-megapixel single camera could be stored for the next iPhone SE 4 and the 12-megapixel selfie camera. And the biggest rumor is the iPhone SE 4 also get a new action button which come with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So what do you think? The iPhone SE 4 come with the action button? Let me know in the comment section your thought. Apple is planning to launch the device in the first half of the 2024. So let's see what happen in the future. So if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.